for this video, we're going to solve absolute value equations. We have 6 different type of absolute value equations, and we are going to go through them. So get ready. Okay, so for the first problem, we have absolute value of 3x minus 2 plus 4 outside the absolute value equals negative 11. So the first thing that you have to know, in order to solve absolute value equations, so let me give you a little note here. Leave the absolute value by itself in one side. Okay, by side I mean here we have the equal sign. That means that we have the left side and we have the right side. So leave the absolute value by itself in one of the sides. In this case, the absolute value is on my left side, so leave it by itself. So that means that we have to move this 4 to the other side in order to leave the absolute value by itself in the left side. So let's do that. Let me rewrite the equation again. So we can actually move the 4 to the other side because it's outside of the absolute value. And we want to leave the absolute value by itself in the left side. So this 4 is adding. So to move it to the other side, we do the opposite. The opposite of adding is subtract. So we subtract by 4. So plus 4 and negative 4 cancels. And we are left with absolute value of 3x minus 2 equals, in here we have like terms. We have negative 11 minus 4. Every time that you have both negative numbers and you want to combine them, add and keep the negative sign. So we're going to add 11 and 4. So that will give us 15. But since both are negative, so keep the negative sign. Now we have absolute value equals a negative number. As you might know, just a little bit note in here as well. Remember, absolute value of any number here, it could be negative or positive. When it comes out always as positive number. In other words, we cannot have a negative number as a solution of an absolute value. Therefore, there is no solution to this problem.